Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing both images and isolating the replacement face. This saves time later. Once you have the source face selected with the lasso or pen tool, copy it to a new layer and place it over the target photo. Make sure to include hairline and neck so proportions match. Align roughly now. Precise alignment comes next. This early setup prevents scale and angle mismatches and explains why selection accuracy is critical to a believable swap. Now refine the placement. Reduce face layer opacity to line up eyes, nose, and mouth, then use transform to scale and rotate until features match. Once positioned, add a layer mask and paint with a soft, low-opacity brush to seamlessly blend edges into the target. To correct color and lighting, apply levels, hue/saturation, and curves on either the face layer or an adjustment clipping mask. This matches contrast and hue so the face reads as part of the same photo. To finish, create a merged copy, Shift+Control/CMD+Alt+E, and fix any seam artifacts with the clone stamp or healing brush so textures align. Once done, add subtle dodge and burn to match local lighting and apply a tiny amount of noise to unify grain. Save as PNG or JPEG depending on needs. If skin tone still looks off, add a solid color layer clipped to the face, set blending to color, and tweak opacity. This quick fix corrects hue mismatches without losing detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.